from Figma designs to real applications. Here is the Figma design, and you provide that to AI and it can automatically build the application for you. Automatically deployed to Vercel directly from IDE. Solo mode from Trae AI. Your all-in-one context engineer. Here is Solo in my IDE and it can automatically build application end to end. It has access to terminal, all your documents, IDE, and has the ability to deploy, and also you are able to view the application. It plans, executes, and delivers with the flow. So it gets the requirement, prototyping, front-end development, back-end development, debugging, everything in one mode. And this is super exciting. In your tray, you got the browser, the document view, the terminal, and this tool can access all these things and understands the context. That is important for more advanced applications. So you can switch between your IDE or the solo mode just by click of a button. And you can access all your files as before. Also, I will show you how you can integrate with Supabase, with other AI services, and also with Stripe. And I'm going to take you through step by step how you can install this and get started with this solo mode, which can build your application end to end. That's exactly what we're going to see today. Let's get started. Thanks to Trae AI for sponsoring this video. Go to Trae.ai and you should be able to download Trae, and you got the solo mode here. First, Trae started with the plugin, then improved to IDE, and now the solo mode. You can get started for free. Once after you download, you need to sign into your account. Here is Trae, and at the top, I'm going to click the solo mode. So now we got the solo builder, and at the top we can see all the terminal, browser, document view integrations, and Figma. You can integrate with various other AI services, payment service such as Stripe. Use Figma to build their application. First, prepare a design in Figma with all elements, and we need to provide this to our AI tool, that is Trae AI Solo. So I'm going to open the Trae Figma tab here, and here choose the application you want to build. So that is a design, which you can see directly from here. Now I'm going to select the application, design, and just click add to chat. Now getting assets ready. Now that is added as context to build the application. So I'm going to say build this web application, and it's going to use Claude 4 Sonnet model, and I can even optimize my input by clicking this icon. So here's the optimized prompt: design and develop a responsive web application based on the specification provided in the Figma frame. So I've got different options here. I can even add images, add other context, tag other agents. So we can even have customized agents to perform a specific task. But for now, I'm going to use this Figma layout. Even you can add your voice input by clicking this icon. So with this finalized prompt, I'm going to click send, and now all the work will be done automatically. I don't need to do anything at all. So here you can see it's automatically writing all the terminal commands, installing all the required packages. Now it's writing all the required code. This is also done step by step. You can see all the list of tasks here. It's going through one by one. So this is the website that it built. You can see the Figma design here, and comparatively, the website has been ready. At the top, you got the editor where you can go through all the files which got created. Then you got the terminal where it's automatically trying to run the terminal commands. Then you got the document view, integration with various providers, even payment service such as Stripe. If I want to configure a payment, I can click the configure button here, provide the Stripe public key and the secret key. So go to Stripe, click create secret key. There you want to choose building your own integration and then create secret. Then provide a name to the key, Trae AI, and create. Now you can copy the key and paste it here. So I've added all the key and clicking confirm. Next, now create pages for each individual links. Also the shopping cart need to work. Add to cart in separate individual item page and integrate with Stripe. All configs are configured. Now it went on creating those extra pages, planning, adding the code. Now it's trying to integrate Stripe with a list of steps. It says first need to get the Stripe configuration to obtain the necessary API key for integration. Considering we already added our API key, I'm going to say configured. Now this will automatically use this Stripe configuration to set up Stripe payment. So now let's preview that. So you got women section, kit section and I can click individual page here, and this is really beautiful. Imagine how much time it will take to build a website like this. And I can choose the size, quantities, and then add to cart. And here you can see it got added. And this is also integrated with Stripe. Next, I want to show you how you can integrate with Supabase. So in the integration section, go to Supabase, click connect. That will ask to authenticate. So I'm going to log in. It's authenticating, authorize API access, authorize. Now coming back to Trae, you can see it got connected. So I can connect to the demo, or I can even create project here. Now I'm in Supabase and creating the project. Trae, providing a password and creating the project. This is how the Supabase looks like. So coming back to Trae, I can refresh and then the Trae is active, as you can see here. I'm going to click connect. And now you can see it got connected. Supabase connected. Now I can say to the chat, integrate this application with Supabase. So that can be used as a database for storing data, also for any authentication purpose. So clicking enter, now it's integrating with Supabase. Now it's taking necessary steps such as installing the Supabase dependency and trying to integrate that with the existing application. You can see automatically it's creating the tables and necessary permissions and integrating the application with the database. So whenever you add a product, automatically it will get saved in the Supabase database. Also, we can automatically set up authentication or login using Supabase. And now I want to show you how you can integrate that with AI services such as OpenAI or OpenRouter. So first, OpenAI, clicking on configure, there I can enter my API key. So go to get API key, there you can sign up or log in. Here you can click create new secret key and add that secret key here. That's it. Similarly, if you want to configure OpenRouter, click on configure. Again, I can click get API key. So this is OpenRouter, so I can click create API key, enter the name and create. Now I can paste my API key here. That's it. Clicking confirm. Now I can say add AI chatbot in this application. And this will automatically add the AI chatbot to make it as an AI powered application. If you want to modify any user interface, just at the top, after clicking the browser, you got the select icon. So click on that and I can just say, after choosing this, add to chat, change the color to yellow and then click send. Now what's going to do is change the color for this particular element to yellow. So in this way, we can modify anything in this page by just using the select icon, choosing the element what you want to change and ask AI to change it. Now you can see it's yellow color. To deploy this application is very easy. So you got the icon at the top here, deploy. So I can click that icon and click the deploy icon. Now it's trying to get deployed to Vercel. So I've already logged into Vercel, but for the first time it'll ask you to log in. So you need to log in, then it'll automatically publish your application in Vercel. And you can see the link is here and I can click the link and it'll open the application. This is definitely going to improve your workflow and the automation, the context understanding, terminal, browser integration is really nice. It's able to read the console log. Even if any terminal errors, it can identify this, understand all the output and fix the error. And I'm really excited about this update. Do try and let me know in the comments below what you think about this. Considering you already like Trae AI, I also create another video about Trae AI. Is the Trae AI IDE, which I highly recommend for you to watch, and I will see you there.